Hi.
Hello.
Hello, world.
Hello.
Hi. It is September now.
Wow.
Yeah, time flies. And we are about to change a gasket on the engine. We just took a great time sleuthing. We found a bunch of engine parts we didn't know we had. Yeah,
We were
in the
sleuthing.
compartment we hadn't gone in a while. It's right over here. Wow! Engine parts! And then Lane took a great amount of time today to make sure we had the right engine parts.
Gia did a great time ordering them from Perkins, so now we're like upgraded. We're all on brand, except it's not on yet. So we're in the future of on brand.
Mm-hmm.
Yes.
Mm-hmm. So today we're going to get back into here, Mr. Perkins. We're giving Mr. Perkins an upgrade. He's leaky, he's old, and so we're taking this off today. And this is our first time really doing something like this, except for the starter, which I didn't really get in the engine room for. It was mostly Lane and Tony. So
Yes.
we're ready to scrape off some old rubber and
Yes.
put some new shit on.
Yes.
Ah.
This we can do. We're doing it. We're doing it. We're doing it. It's gonna be so easy.
Okay, bye.
Bye bye.
I get funky.
Wouldn't it be funny if we just happened to fix all of our leaks right now, and then we could have actually gone down the river? Wouldn't that be awesome?
It would be really fun. I mean, we still could go.
Yeah. I'm just putting that good energy out there. Whether or not we do it, wouldn't it, like, let's just say that we could fix everything.
That would be so great.
And then next year when we come back, we'll just have a brand new, perfect, ready to go boat, and we can sail to Mackinac on the race.
I mean, I'm actually not opposed to doing that. And this is why they tell you to take the engine out. Rolling.
Gia made a discovery. I was like, this should all be metal. What is that? Because I was trying to pick off the edges. Turns
cork.
out, it's cork.
Old gasket.
Wow. So there you have it.
Taking off the old gasket. Clean it. Solvent. And then a new rubber one.
Wow. Yeah.
Updates. We have cleaned this guy so well, pulled off all the gaskets, investigated the rust, scraped off all of the old gasket. We have used a degreaser in there, where the gas is gonna go. We also spent a good amount of time cleaning all around, especially in the back there, looking for a possible transmission fluid leak and some other oil leaks. So we're really hoping that this rocker gasket will help with a lot of the oil leaks, but we'll see. So we're waiting for Tony to come and peep it out because he's a diesel engine wizard, and Lane is vacuuming out the bilges, which actually look pretty good. So that's the update, Cece. Mr. Perkins, are you ready to put your hat back on?
He's ready.
Is he ready? Oh, he's ready. people were like, oh, you took the whole engine out. I was like, oh no. Oh no, we did not. We did not take the engine out. Quite on this side, but